and welcome to another video on my channel. And today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for the song Shidiwe by Dr. Tumi, and we're in the key of A flat. Alright? The key of A flat. So the song has three parts. There's the introduction, there's the verse. Oh, let's just say part one and part two. I think the part one is the verse and then part two is the chorus. But yeah, let's get straight into it. So the introduction actually goes like this. That's how it goes, right? So let's see what he playing there. Left hand's playing a 3, right hand's playing a 1, 2, 5. Left hand's playing a 4, right hand's playing a 1, 3, 6. Left hand's playing a 5, right hand's playing a 2, 5, 7. We can do this. Left hand's playing a 6, right hand's playing a 4, 5, 1. Left hand's playing a 5, right hand's playing a 2, 5, 7. Now left hand's playing a 4, right hand's playing a 1, 3, 6. And now left hand's playing a 3, right hand's playing a 1, 2, 5. So we play that, right? And then we play left hand's on a 7, right hand's on a 5, 6, 2. I choose to play this over here where left hand's playing a 1, right hand's playing a 6, 7, 3. Right? Then the left hand's on a 6, right hand's on a 4, 5, 1. Then our left hand's on a 4, right hand's on a 2, 3, 6. Left hand's on a 3, right hand's on a 1, 2, 5. Left hand's on a 5, right hand's on a 4, 6, 1, 2. The left hand's on a 1, 1, 5, 1, right hand's on a 2, 3, 5, 1. Then we play this 5 left hand, right hand 1, 4, 5, 1. You play it 2 times. So to repeat it one more time. Alright, now we get into the verse, or part 1, let's say part 1. You play this. This is the chord progression. Right. So what are we playing there? So we started with a left hand's playing a 6, right hand's playing a 4, 5, 1. Right? The left hand's playing a 4, right hand's playing a 1, 3, 6. The left hand's playing a 7, right hand's playing a 5, 6, 2. Now left hand's playing a 1, right hand's playing a 6, 7, 3. Now left hand's playing a 3, right hand's playing a 1, 2, 5. Left hand's playing a 6, right hand's playing a 4, 5, 1. Now left hand's playing a 4, right hand's playing a 1, 3, 6. Left hand's playing a 5, right hand's playing a 2, 5, 7. Alright, then we go to 6, 7. Then left hand's playing a 3, 1, right hand's playing a 2, 5, 1. You can either do the 6 or you can do the 4. That's up to you. But left hand's playing a 6, right hand's playing a, you can do that to a 3, 5, 6, 1 or a 4, 5, 1. You go to the 5, back to the 4 part I showed you, then back to this 3 part I showed you. 4, 6, 5, 4, 3. Right? Then 2, 3. Left hand's playing a 2, 1, 2, right hand's playing a 6 flat, 1, 2, 4. Left hand 5 octave, right hand 5, 1, 3. you're playing the 5, left hand over the 1 suspended, and 1, 4, 5, 1. Resolve back to a 1. Left hand 1, 5, 1, right hand 2, 3, 5, 1. Right. Then, so you're going to repeat that 2 times. Then after you repeat that 2 times, you can technically repeat it again another 2 times. But then what I've seen is that what they play the next 2 times, so technically they're playing the verse 4 times, then they go to the part 2. But you play that 2 times, and then the next time, instead of doing right, instead of doing that, they do this. You see that, right? So typically what I'm doing is, right, you start with, I told you that you go bum, bum, and then bum, bum. What they're doing is bum, but instead of going bum, bum, they go bum, 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 bum. Like almost like you're playing the Shidiwe, but instead of, you don't play the last note in it, you play the 6, 5, 4, then you play the 7, 1, right? 7, 7, 1. So that's what I'm saying. So you play that 4, 4, 4, 6. Instead of playing, I'm confusing myself now. Normally you'd go, but now you're going. You see? So the pattern is still the same, or the rhythm is still the same, but you're starting with the 4. You're leaving out that, and you're leaving out the, and then you're going straight to the. So then. Right? So I've shown you how to play that. So just know that you're playing that same thing over there, right? So the first 2 times you play it normally, the second 2 times you play like that. Instead of that you play it. Right? So that's the entire first part there. I'm gonna come back and play everything together at the end. Let me just go back to, we'll go to part 2 now. So in part 2, what we're playing is this. So we play a melody over there, we go 3, 4, 3, 5, 6. Then you're pretty much repeating what you play in the first part, right? So the important thing is how you start it off, right? So you start off on a 3. So left hand's playing a 3, 1, 3, right hand's doing a 5, 1, 2, 5. 4, 3. I'm playing a 4, left hand 4 and 4, right hand 6, 2, 3, 6, 4, 3, back to the 3. I'm doing a passing chord here to get to the 5, right? Left hand's doing a 5 flat, 2, 5 flat, right hand's doing a 6, 1, 3, 6. Left hand's now doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 7, 2, 5, 7, right? Then you're doing a 3 chord. 6, 5, 4, 3. 6, 5, 4. Regardless of where you are, the octave is still at 6, 5, 4, 3. Right. Then sometimes what I choose to do is instead of just doing a what I'll do do is, right, so you're playing da 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 da. You see? You see? Over there, right? So what I'll do is I'm doing a 4, 5, 6, or how is this? Yeah, it's a 4, 5, 6. I'm doing a 4, 5, 6 with my right hand. Left hand's doing a bit of different stuff. So I'm just gonna tell you what my left hand's playing. You start off by playing the 5 and 6 together in your left hand. The right hand's playing a 1, 4, 6. Then now left hand goes to a 4 and 7, and right hand goes to a 2, 5, 7. Then now left hand goes to a 3, 1, right hand goes to a 2, 5, 1. So it's like, almost like your left hand is opening up slowly. It's like opening up, you see? Your left hand is like opening up slowly, right? So anyways, how does that go together with the song? So right. And now another thing which I also do is, because okay, let me just put it this way. Everything I've showed you now, you can use that to play the entire song. That's the entire song there. What I also want to show you is that we are going from a 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 1, right? So what I like to do is, I choose to do a different passing chord instead of the usual. What I'll do is, and you'll see, if you look at the cover that I did, you'll see that I'm usually, I'll usually do it after I do this. So I'll go. So like, so what am I doing there, right? So left hand's doing a 1, 5, right hand's doing a 7 flat, 2, 4, 6. And so after that, left hand's now doing a 3, 5, and right hand's doing a 7 flat, 2, 3. Now left hand's doing a 4, 1, 4. Right hand's doing a 6, 1, 2, 5, but I'm bracing that 1 into 2. The left hand's doing a 2, 1, 2, right hand's doing a 4, 6 flat, 1, 2. Left hand now that 5 octave, right? Now this is pretty much what you've been playing before. Right. I also do that too, right? So almost like a 5, 1, 4. Even though there's no 4 in 5, 1, 4, but I chose to, I know that it's working, so let's do it, right? So right? So what am I doing there? Shidiwe, a 3 chord, right? And then we don't go da, 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 da. I do this da, 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 da. So yeah. So left hand's doing a 5, right hand's doing a 4, 7 flat, 2. Left hand's doing a 1, 7 flat, right hand's doing a 3, 6, 2. Left hand's doing a 4 octave, right hand's doing a 6, 1, 3, 5, 6. Another option is literally just adding a chord before you do all that. Left hand's playing a 6 flat, right hand's playing a 5 flat, 7, 2 flat, 3 flat, 5 flat. Because all that is I'm doing a chromatic chromatic walk down. Chromatic walk down, so every single note, down one, down one, down one, down one, down one. Now you just chord. That's pretty much what I'm doing there, right? Okay, so let's go through everything one time just to show you guys how it all sounds together. So so pretty much that's how it sounds. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys, stay